Hey folks, it's Mike here. Just want to welcome you back to Mr. Cast Iron, and today we're actually coming to you from our man cave. It's been a while since I've done a video from the man cave, but what I'd like to do, I've got a lady that has been watching one of our videos that's called Do I Need to Season a New Lodge Cast Iron Skillet? And Suzanne asked the question, how long does it take for you to get grease from the bacon? And in this video, Do I Need to Season a New Lodge Cast Iron Skillet? I talk about Lodge. Of course, you know, Lodge being the oldest manufacturer of cast iron left remaining in the United States. They've been around since 1896. And Lodge was actually the first manufacturing company to start pre-seasoning cast iron and do it consistently every time that they create a piece of cast iron. So once you purchase a new piece of cast iron from Lodge, it comes pre-seasoned, and what they say even on their website and what I said in this video is basically you don't have to season your cast iron. You can just take it out of the package, wash and clean it up with some good hot soapy water, rinse it dry and everything, go right to work and start cooking. And so Suzanne has asked, because I was cooking bacon in mine, how long does it take for you to get the bacon grease? Well, bacon is actually, of course, being pork. Years ago, many people, that's basically all they used was lard, because that's basically all they had, I guess, in a lot of sense. I mean, they had other types of fat that they could render grease from. But anyway, pork was one of the most prominent things, and lard was one of them, and bacon is just actually a form of lard. It's a smoked form of lard. They take and smoke the pork belly, and that's how you create bacon. And so when you're cooking bacon in your cast iron skillet, the grease renders out of the meat or out of the fat, and that liquefies and turns into bacon grease. And so every time, Suzanne, that you're cooking bacon, your fat renders down and you're able to get grease fat. And so you can do a couple things with that. You can basically take and let it kind of cool down a little bit to where you're able to pour it up and filter it into a glass jar or canister or whatever, and keep that bacon grease to use to season recipes with or whatever. Or you can take that rendered and filtered bacon grease and use that to season cast iron with. And so that's basically what we were talking about. I hope this answered your question. We certainly appreciate you asking the question. And folks, we appreciate all of you guys, all of our viewers and subscribers that leave comments and ask questions, and we certainly want to try to address those and help you out. So anyway, we appreciate you guys. Y'all have a great day. It's Mike, Mr. Cast Iron. We'll be coming back to you soon. Y'all have a great day. Bye-bye.